Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. And I had a request to do this song. It's taken from a classical piece by Alexander Borodin, and it's called, the pop version of it is called Stranger in Paradise. And I listened to a beautiful recording by Matt Monro, who's an English singer, spelled Munro, I think. And he really has a great voice. I mean, just a terrific voice. And I read a little bit about him, and he didn't do, like the Great American Songbook, like Cole Porter songs and stuff. He really kind of focused on the songs of like the 50s, the 60s, more pop songs. And, this is one of them. And I have a version here in the key of C, and I also have a version here in the key of E flat, which is the key that he does it in. But this would be a fairly good song, I think, for beginners because it's in the key of C, and I'll just go through it in a real basic way here. So when your chord gets, in the way of the melody, bring the chord down here and then leave out as many notes as you can. All right, so I left out the two middle notes there. And you notice I had the E and the C in the melody. So let me take it from the top. there's a little intro that I forgot to do, so and I believe they do that at the end also. Now, I think you could certainly jazz this song up. Get the idea. There's one little string line in here too that it reminds me of something. I can't think what it is. Let's see. Oh, what is that song? Oh, I could almost hear the words. I can't quite get the words. What is that song? Oh, somebody help me out. If you know, I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, thanks everyone.